Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2337th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good day, traders. Good evening, good morning. So, risky. We know the way these markets fly around. The volatility is insanity. But you can do really well in this volatility. Volatility is your friend, as I've shown you for the last 4 days this week, and hopefully we'll show you again on Friday that you can do this correctly if you know how to read the charts. So traders, remember, put your stops in first. Do not trade without stops. And a sincere thank you, round of applause, much appreciation. Traders, thank you for your patience while I've been putting out these videos where I'm sitting at a desk and showing you just one or two charts. I have been remodeling and rebuilding a brand new OMNI Camp 2.0, and that is for my OMNI campers who come out only 4 times a year to my OMNI Camp. Well, it's the place that they're going to stay at, and I turn it into a facility where I would want to stay. And when I'm working on a project, I move my office into that project like you see here, and I work there every day until that project's done. So that's what I'm doing here, which stops me from doing those videos where I get in front of the camera and stack 15 charts for you. I promise, I thank you for your patience. I will be back to doing those shortly. In the meantime, we're doing this video now. You're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average Daily Bar, and what you'll note is that the channel is giving stocks a lot of trouble. Look at this channel. Now, this channel goes all the way back to here, and it gives it nothing but trouble. It's fantastic. Hold. Hold again here, and then boom, it breaks, tries to get back, has trouble as soon as it gets there, which has created these last few down days. Let me show you what I mean. These last few down days literally have been created by the power of that parallel channel market failing to get above. Now, of course, there's always a fundamental reason, but technicals come out in the charts first, and then you hear about the fundamental news. So the technical told me about this a few days ago. We have been killing the Omni. The markets have been, Omni's been killing the markets day after day. Hopefully we'll get this right again on Friday. Hopefully, guy. So we are going to sell the rallies once again for trading on Friday in the E-mini S&P. However, the signal is not nearly as strong as it was Monday through Thursday, but it's still a red signal, and I will take it. We will sell the rallies in E-mini S&P. Traders, that's what I wanted to share with you. And by the way, the monthly totals are in. If you are following the Omni recommendations through the month of September, you would have added $7,900 to your yearly total. And the yearly total is quite handsome right now for one lot trades. So $7,900 could be yours. Come join my site, livewithoscar.com. Or if you really know what you're doing, ask me about OmniCamp. I've got one happening in 1 month, and there are 2 open seats. All right, traders. So the Omni's been right, as I said, and this is absolutely one of the reasons, the technicals showing the fundamentals in the charts, and down we're going. Hopefully Friday we'll get more of that. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you at livewithoscar.com. If you don't know how to trade, join my live recommendations, and maybe you could have pocketed this much for September. Based on one lot trading, don't forget. And finally, good luck trading out there, traders. And stops are in, emotions are out. And remember, Omni's been good all week. Trust it on Friday. We'll see where it goes. Your stops will be in. Once again, good luck out there, traders.